Welcome to the Candlewood Suites in Lake City. This hotel is centrally located near the freeway with easy access to restaurants and shopping. Guests also enjoy complimentary washer and dryers, making it a convenient choice for short or extended stays. All right, my room is 306. And I have a king studio suite. Okay, I'm in a king studio suite. So when you first walk in, here's a full-size refrigerator. That's pretty nice. You have your sink, a stovetop, a microwave. You even have a dishwasher. Have your plates, toaster, strainer, measuring cup, salt, pepper. There's even for your coffee. And then you have paper towels and stuff underneath there, and dishwasher stuff. And then you have for your silverware. Let's see what else. Pots, pans. Yep, it's all your pots and pans. And you got your microwave. See what's up here. There's nothing up there. Nothing up there either. Just a full-size refrigerator with a freezer. Here's your little desk, a recliner, a TV. And here's all your TV channels. That's pretty cool. They also have a lending locker, so you can borrow anything that you need. So if you need something from board games to a blender, you can get it from the lending locker. And washer and dryers are available always for free. That's super cool. And then you have your king size bed. Let's go over here and take a look. And here's your bathroom with a shower tub combo. You have the Dove products for your hand wash, and then here is your body wash, and then your shampoo and conditioner also with Dove. So not too bad. It's not bad at all. Let's see, what is this room right here? Oh, wow. So then here's your closet. And you got your iron board, your clothes basket, so if you do clothes. Okay. It's nice. And we are right off of I-45. Behind the NTB, and there's quite a few restaurants that are right nearby. There's a Bass Pro Shop. Cabela's across the street over there, so it's in a good location. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos coming soon.